Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Preeti and I teach Human Resource Management in the MBA program at LPU Online.
Why is pursuing an MBA program in HRM crucial for career growth in today's competitive market?
Well, MBA program in HRM provides you with the necessary skills for career advancement in today's competitive job market. With expertise in areas like talent acquisition and workforce planning, employee engagement, you will be prepared to lead the basic HR functions that contribute strategically towards an organization growth. Tools like ATS and Human Resource Information System can help you streamline the hiring process and manage HR data efficiently.
How does this MBA program in HRM equip students with skills for an AI-driven, technology-focused business landscape?
See, this program basically prepares students to adapt HR strategies for a digital first world. Through subjects like technology in HR and AI driven talent management, students learn how to navigate the increasing intersection of technology and HR, which ensures that they can lead digital transformation in HR practices and improve overall efficiency in organizational effectiveness.
How does the HRM program blend theoretical knowledge with practical industry insights?
See, the HRM program at LPU blends academic theory with practical applications through industry-specific case studies and live projects. Subjects like organizational behavior and HR dynamics are paired with internships which allow our students to apply the concepts like leadership, employee engagement in a real-world scenarios. This practical approach prepares them to contribute effectively towards any organization from day one. Practical tools like 360-degree feedback and employee engagement surveys are used in various organizations to evaluate and enhance organization culture and employee satisfaction.
How does this MBA program address the evolving role of HR professionals in the changing business environment?
Well, in today's fast-changing business world, HR professionals need to stay ahead of new challenges. This online MBA program will prepare our students for these evolving roles through courses like training and development and performance management system. You learn how to design and implement HR strategies that drive continuous organizational growth, employee development, and overall performance, all through the flexibility of an online program.
What makes balancing a professional career while pursuing an MBA achievable?
With LPO Online, you can easily manage both your work and your studies. The flexible schedule with weekend classes and self-paced learning allows you to keep learning while gaining important valuable skills in important HR areas like employee relations and compensation management. The program is designed in such a way that it can easily fit into your routines, so you can apply what you have learned directly to your jobs.
How does this MBA program in HRM develop leadership qualities that make graduates highly sought after in the workforce?
The MBA program in HRM places a strong focus on leadership development through courses like leadership and organizational change and conflict management. Practical learning opportunities such as managing HR teams and leading strategic initiatives further enhance students' leadership skills. With this comprehensive approach, we ensure our graduates are well prepared to lead top HR roles and making them a strong candidate for employers.
Can an online MBA program in HRM at LPU provide a global perspective and a competitive edge?
Yes, online MBA in HRM at LPU offers a global perspective by including international case studies and cross-cultural HR practices into the curriculum. With courses like Global HRM, Industrial Relation and Labor Laws, students learn about the HR challenges faced by global organizations, giving them a competitive edge needed to succeed in multinational companies.
Why is now the perfect time to pursue an MBA in HRM and prepare for the future of business?
As organizations increasingly rely on advanced HR strategies and data analytics, now is the ideal time to pursue an MBA in HRM. With subjects like talent acquisition and workforce planning, HR matrix and analytics, students learn how to lead data-driven HR functions, which further help organizations to manage their workforce effectively in a fast-changing business environment.